everyone, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I have an unboxing that I ordered through Untitled, but it came from Spinrite. Which factory did it come from? The one in Georgia. So just to talk about Spinrite for a second, so normally 4 times a year at their place in Listowel, Ontario, Canada, they have a huge tent sale. So as far as I'm concerned, one of the best things that come out of all this sickness and yuckiness, they put the tent sale online. Usually you can only get that in person. So if you go to yarnfactoryoutlet.com, or if you go to their Facebook page, Yarn Factory Outlet, they have all of the deals up there. You have to call or you have to email them. But you can see all the colors, you can see how much everything is. It's in Canadian dollars. So right now the $1 American is equal to like 71 cents Canadian, I think. 70 something cents. So the prices in American dollars are even lower than what they are on there. And most things on there are buy 3, get 1 free. So if you order 3 blanket brand, like Blanket Ease or whatever it is, you get 1 free. They even have these huge monster balls on there that are like 2,000 yards. So I called today or emailed today, and I'm waiting to hear back from them. They said they got like 300 emails today, and I don't know how many phone calls. But really good opportunity to grab some cheap yarn. I would just double check on the shipping because it is coming from Canada. So well, fingers crossed for tomorrow that they email me or call me back. So we'll see. I think that's going on for a little while, a couple days at least. Then they have another one in August, so maybe that one will be online too. Yarnfactoryoutlet.com. So that's my frugal tip for the day. Let's do this unboxing. So I have 11 pounds from Yarnspirations. So I'm going to open this up. I haven't peeked. A lot of the stuff I got in here was on a really good sale or on clearance. So let's see what I got. Here's my photo shoot. There it is. So this took a little while to get here. I think I ordered this like 2 weeks ago, which isn't like horrendous, but still a little while to wait. So the main thing I went on the website for was they had a really good sale on their Karen Big Cakes. Doesn't say on here how much they were, but I remember they were like a really good deal. Because I'm going to be making some blankets for people for the holidays. And also plan on making one more for belated Mother's Day and a couple for Father's Day. So this one is, somebody's open? Yep, there. So this one kind of is very autumnal. This is called Cranberry Crisp. Karen Big Cakes. So I like that. I think I got 3 of all of these because I had looked up a pattern, and it called for. No, I didn't look up a pattern. So that other Afghan that I have is actually for Karen Big Cakes. I just had Karen Cakes here because I was waiting for this, and so I just started making one. But it calls for 3 Karen Big Cakes for that pattern. And again, I'll see if I can find the pattern and see what the name was. That's not it. So I got 3 of each of these. So this one, which is 603 yards, pretty big, 100% acrylic, 4 weight, and yep, that's this first one. Then I got, oh, these colors did not come out well on the website, I gotta say. They don't look the same, but I like them better than what I thought they were. This one is called Cherry Compote. So the purples did not look that rich online. The same amount of yardage. So 3 of these in Cherry Compote. I like that. And this one. I also got 3 of these. Shadowberry. It's a cool name. bunch of blues. I was thinking maybe Steve's dad would like this. So, got 3 of those to make a blanket out of. And then what else do I have in here? One more. One more 3 thing. Pepper cream. Oh, those colors also look nicer than they did online. I'm thinking this is going to be maybe for my brother for Christmas. I don't know. We'll have to see. And then, ooh. And then I got one thing. Oh, I wish I had gotten more of that. I wonder if that's still on the website. I like that. So, I love purple. And I like stuff that's metallic. It's my favorite color. Green being my second favorite color. So I bought, they have some specials right now on Yarnspirations that are like by the bag. So it's 3 or 4 or whatever the pack is. So I tried something new. I'm actually going to probably go and look and see if this is still up there because I really like this. This is another thing that did not do it justice online. So I've never used this yarn before. This is Karen's Simply Soft Party in, what is the color? Violet Variegated. This stuff is real nice. Like the online not doing that justice. It's got multicolor metallic in it. Like almost a rainbow color metallic with like grays and brown. And I wasn't too sure how I felt about the brown together, but it's really not like a lot of brown and that lilac-y purple color. So you got 3 for, I don't remember how much it was. I want to say it was pretty cheap though. Yeah, I'm going to have to go back and see if they have any more of this because I really, really like that. That's real nice. So that's my Yarnspirations haul. Again, if you're looking for a good deal on yarn, check out yarnfactoryoutlet.com. The one in Ontario, Canada is having their tent sale, but now it's online. And like I said, just check out the shipping and remember everything on there is in Canadian dollars. So, hope everybody has a great day. Till next time. Bye.